In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a connection in Zapier. For those of you who might be new to Zapier, it's an incredibly powerful tool that allows different applications to communicate and work together seamlessly. This makes it easier to automate those repetitive tasks that can take up so much of your valuable time. Testing a connection in Zapier is an essential step to ensure that everything is functioning as expected before your automation is live. Now, let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Zapier account. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to locate the app connection feature. This is where things start coming together for your automation. By clicking on the app connection option, you're essentially getting behind the scenes of your automated processes. It's like checking under the hood before a road trip. You want to make sure everything's running smoothly. From there, you'll click on the connections section. Here's where you'll find a list of all the apps you've connected to Zapier. Each connection is a gateway between Zapier and another app, like Gmail, Slack, or Trello. Having a proper connection ensures that data flows seamlessly from one platform to the next, playing its part in automating tasks just as you've designed. So take a moment to glance through your list. It can give you a sense of how your different tools come together in harmony. Once you're in the connections section, you'll notice 3 small dots next to each app name. These dots are more than just design elements. They help you access additional options. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu includes the crucial option you're looking for, which is to test the connection. It feels a bit like pressing a button on a machine to ensure it's ready to go before use. Now, go ahead and click on Test Connection. When you click this, Zapier works its magic behind the scenes to check that the app you've selected can indeed communicate with Zapier properly. If the connection is successful, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your setup is correct and your apps are ready to work together. If there's an issue though, Zapier will prompt you to review the connection details. In such a case, double-check things like login credentials and permissions, as these are often where connections trip up. So there you have it, how to test a connection in Zapier. This small but significant step ensures that your applications are all set to cooperate, giving you peace of mind that when your automation goes live, it will operate without a hitch. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep automating and keep creating.